We had rented several excavators and they were Cat brand all the time. I didn't know it was going to be built as stout. The power for one thing, it's got a lot of power, more than I thought.
We're out here with Gary from Dugan and Myers. He's running the SY500. Gary, what kind of project do you have going on today?
We're installing a 48-inch sanitary sewer, roughly around 2,000 feet of pipe. I had never heard, seen anything about a SANY. We were pulling two 24-foot boxes with 10-foot spreaders in them. And then we had a 349 cap that I couldn't hardly pull them. And this thing reach out and yanks them and have no trouble pulling the boxes at all. I've run all different types of excavators. This sits up a lot higher in the cab where you can see manhole bases are over 20,000 pounds. We had no problem picking them up. It didn't feel like it was going to teeter, totter, or anything like that. It's an excellent machine. That's why Dugan and Myers continues to go to Newman Tractors for big excavators. If we need something big, that's where we go to. It's Newman Tractor. I was very impressed when I seen it. It's just real smooth to operate. It's comfortable, air conditioning works good. If you guys are off the clock, you can stand here.
Oh, wrap it up!
Yeah, I already turned all my time in for today too.